One of the most competent communicators that I know is my mother, only because she works in a higher up position where she talks to a lot of government officials, and she needs to sound very professional. So she's always talked, very competent. One of the elements that my mother has is self awareness. She'll know what situation she's in and what environment she's in to, you know, give the proper way of speaking. Another one of the elements that she has is empathy. She knows how to share her emotions with the people around her or the people that she's talking to. You know, and then one of the last elements that I believe she has is adaptability, only because she can talk a certain way with, me, her family, and then she knows how to talk a certain way whenever she's talking to, per se, like a governor or something like that.